Welcome to another RTE video. Today, we're going to take a look at the new Amazon Kindle Scribe. Amazon's newest Kindle is set to release on November 30th. So, let's look at the features and functionality we can expect in the upcoming release. This will be the first Kindle to feature the ability to have handwritten notes. Amazon is now entering the e-ink note-taking market, which should provide for some interesting competition with existing companies, such as Supernote and Remarkable. In comparison, the new Kindle Scribe is priced less than the Supernote and the Remarkable too. However, it's still to be seen how well Amazon has executed the handwriting and software compared to its competitors. The four biggest features of the Scribe is the 300 ppi Paperwhite display, Microsoft Word integration, backlighting, and the Amazon Kindle Store. Let's take a look now at the technical specs. The display is 10.2 inches, with the height being 9 inches and the length 7.7 inches. There are three different models based on storage sizes of 16, 32, or 64 gigabytes, and the battery life is listed as 12 weeks for reading and 3 weeks for writing. So that wraps up our preview of the upcoming Amazon Kindle Scribe. We'll be releasing additional videos next week to cover the launch with an unboxing and a review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE, your technology and entertainment channel.